Hello guys, welcome to Tong channel. This video will show you how to archive chat in Telegram. Okay, let's get to it. Go to your Telegram application, and then after that, you can choose the chat that you want to archive, and you can click on the chat. You can click on the chat like this. You can click and hold, okay, to mark it. And alright, after you choose the chats that you want to archive, you can click on this button, this three dots button, and you can click archive. Alright, and now the chats have been archived on your Telegram. And if you want to see the archived chat, you can click on archived chat right here. You can click right here. Alright guys, that's the tutorial from me. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.